What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is John Hart. John Hart, and I am recording this on Friday after the market close. So today I want to talk about the month of May. Um, it's been a blessing this 2021. I am basically up for 115,000. But the month of May has been very challenging. Well, I would say from the month of April. However, the month of May is the biggest loss. When I say the biggest loss or unrealized loss from my position, because this month is an earning season. And, I've been holding some of the stock that I thought is going to go up, but uh, technically just keep going down. So, um, yeah. So technically, from that 115, now basically depleted into 50 grand. So from April and May, we basically have a decline 65,000 of unrealized profit. Anyway, without further ado, let's go jumping into the screen and I will share with you what stock that basically caused that decline. All right, guys. So we're back to the screen here, and I'm basically just filtering, but just for this month. And this is what the stock that causing the big down. I'm gonna start from the bottom with RKT, Rocket Mortgage. I made a good money from this stock. However, now it's a spiral going down. The stock basically testing the IPO day again, or IPO price. So, of course, with the outlook of Q2 number is being declined, that is causing some cautious for the investor. Um, we're gonna go deep drill in each stock here that I have, just to make sure that I do want to hear your comments. And of course, if you are new, feel free to subscribe and like button, share with your friends. For those of you are the new subscriber, and thank you, they already subscribed. Thank you for your support, and I hope you enjoy the videos as well. I'm gonna go over one by one. Rocket, it's been in the business for a long time. I like their earning. I do not like their guidance because of the interest rate and a lot of turbulence coming, in the next quarters. However, long run, Rocket Mortgage is still a solid company. Now, of course, there could be a potential that lowering down the guidance for Q2 in order for them to blow up the estimate, right? There could be a possibility that's the way how they play it. But keep in mind, this is just a speculation. This is basically a long-term view. I am I am an investor of Rocket. I am biased on Rocket. That's why I'm saying all the nice thing, even though it's not a nice result at the moment. Keep in mind, that big profit is already in, although it's depleting. So I'm still holding Rocket. I want to see where the stock is going, and I'm gonna explore what kind of strategy that I have in terms of keeping my losses less and less. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to do the cover call. I'm gonna show you guys basically how to buy more and where. So the next stock is called FSLY. FSLY, I already made a profit on this, about 4 grand. But of course, you're being silly, being greedy. I know earning is coming, and I was thinking, you know what? Maybe they're gonna blow up the estimate, and they're gonna go back to $80. Although I already make $4,000. I mean, I can take the profit and just run and wait, right? So I did sell put, and it's basically going down now. It's against me from $70 sell put. Now the stock is about $42, right? So that's a big chunk of losses. A good thing that I do not have a big position on this, so that means I can add more Um, Fastly, the earning guidance is not really well, and the CFO is basically going. Well, basically, he's leaving and stepping down, and there's gonna be a new one. So this is it's a big speculation for me. In the long run, yeah, it's possible to go back again, but it could be a long run. The same thing. I still hold the sell put. It's gonna be expired in June or July, of, I believe. Let's take a look here. It's June, so that's where it is. And then my rocket, I'm holding the stock right now. So and then I do have the cover call, and I just purchased these today before it closed. So that's what it is. Now the next thing that I want to discuss is BTAI. BTAI, I was making a good money on this stock. Basically has a good projection from all the analysts. It's basically above 100 plus. The stock was going um, from 45 ish. That's where I start buying 45 to 50, and then it start going down, and earning also going down. But I do like this. I do like this for a long term, even though it is not doing so much well. Um, so that's where it is now. I'm gonna change this to instead monthly. I'm gonna change this to yearly, so you guys will know what is basically the biggest loser here, right? BTAI, TLRY. The next thing is TLRY. Rocket is basically still profitable for me, even though it's going down, because I make a ton of money with them. So TLRY is the next thing that I want to discuss. TLRY, I basically start buying because I thought it's gonna keep going up, right? Sell put, but it did not. So I keep averaging down now. Now, in term of the company prospect, Tilray is become one of the largest cannabis company after the merger with AFA, uh, APHA. I don't know what's the company name, but that's a symbol that I know. And they're keeping the Tilray to be in the U.S. stock exchange, and also in Canada, or Europe, they become TLRY as well, but it's also in a different stock exchange, European stock exchange, I believe. So anyway, long story short, those are the three stock that I really like, that I still have, and I'm holding them right now. Now I'm going to talk about the uh, the strategy that I want to put in here. So the first thing is, let's talk about Rocket. I'm going to have about 3,000 share here. Um, this one, the May 28th, just basically sold them, I believe yesterday, after the earning. So it's making money here. At least it's gonna be cutting some losses a little bit. Um, and I'm gonna continue doing that, and I probably will keep rolling down if Rocket is keep going down to 16 to 17. I'm gonna keep going aggressive, like start selling the 20 calls. Keep in mind, Rocket can move fast to the upside if there's any news. So um, yeah, 20 call is gonna be really tight, but at least I'm gonna be very aggressive rather than being just, oh, let's wait until the expiration. No. I'm gonna aggressive, meanings that, hey, if I'm making money and then the stock is oversold, I'm gonna buy back right away and then let it ride, and then sell it again. So this is what I'm talking about. Let's take a look at this chart here. Okay, let's go over the chart. Let's go to the 1 hour. Now, as you can see, the stock is still in the going down. I mean, it's still an earning kind of downside, right? But if this start, the RSI is showing oversold now. So what I meant is, if it start going oversold, and if there's a sign of bounce, I'm gonna buy back, let the stock go up, and then you start selling call again on the top with the bigger premium. So that would be the best way, and then just let it play for a few months. It could be more. It could be 6 months, could be 9 months, whatever, right? The idea right now is just basically how to prevent from a bigger loss. That's my key here. Um, you never know. Maybe in Q2 they blew up the estimate and this stock can go up to $25 to $30 again. Who knows, right? The goal is to prevent the losses. Now going back again, TLRY. TLRY has an upgrade today from 14, and then Jeffrey's analyst basically come with an upgrade to 23 as an initiation yesterday. There's also an upgrade or initiation um, analyst initiation, I guess, for the position. They're saying is the target was 17, I believe. And then Jeffries came is like, hey, the 23, because they really like the prospect where Tilray is going. I do like Tilray now for long term. And keep in mind, this is a long term, right? Because there's could be potential, maybe earning is coming up Monday. So, I mean, there's another catalyst again that I don't want to participate, but right now, hey, I'm in position. If it's good, then we take off. If it's bad, then I'm gonna keep averaging down. That is my take. So far, this prospect is good. I like this stock to be in the upper 20 again, to be more bullish. All right, next one is FSLY. Now, FSLY, this is the stock that I do not like. We are looking at the 1 day or daily chart. Let's put on the weekly. Weekly, we are looking at 34 as the support here. Stock is basically coming to support. It's oversold, and we are in this kind of support, major support, right, from the breakout. Now, I like this to buy here and then probably sell it as it's going up. Remember, I do not own the stock yet. This is just a sell put and expired June. Anything can happen. Could be going down and then bounce up again. If it goes above $70, that's phew. That means I'm good, right? I'm safe. That if it's, I mean, I can averaging down too. I can buy the stock and then that will average down from the $70, which is a sell put. If it get exercised in June, then the next one, which is 35. So mine will be around 50-ish, right? Take and give, right? In that average um, price range. So FSLY, that's also one of the problematic child, I would say. BTAI, okay, this is the biotech stock. The biotech stock, it seems like it has a lot good prospect on this. RSI, it's still floating right there, kind of a little bit above 30. Earning is coming up on the 10 before market, which is maybe Monday or Tuesday. I forgot what's the date today. Yep, Monday. So another catalyst. I mean, my average is around 43, so this thing can move, fast and furious. So I'm hoping it doesn't go down again, but it's going up. So we'll see. But that's basically what I have. So I just want to share with you guys and kind of show up here and show you guys what I have. And my trading journey is not something that I would like to show off, but this 2 months has been a challenging month, and I'm hoping you guys are doing well, super well. Yeah, so if you want to share and comment below, let me know what you think about this stock. I mean, if you like it or you don't like it. Yeah, so I can learn from you guys too. Keep in mind, if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe and like the videos, and hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.